Hello everyone. I am Shabnam from staff member of DRM. Today we are going to do an activity based on salt, and for this we need some essentials like 2 glasses of water, a spatula, salt and ink. Firstly, we put this salt in first of beaker and then dissolve it properly. You must observe that the salt completely dissolve in the water. So students, notice this. Is it dissolved completely or not? Yes. Yes? Okay. Then we put this in first of the glass, which is plain water. See, the ink goes inside. Okay. Now put this ink in another glass, which is salted water. You observe that the salted water, in this the ink flips above the water. What this shows basically? So students, this shows that the plain water in which there is no amount of salt, it dissolves the ink fastly because there is vacant space in the water molecules. And in another glass which we have put salt, which is dissolved completely, in this the vacant space is filled by the salt. Okay, that's why this that ink is complete float over the water. And this is all about this experiment. Thank you and have a nice day.